Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Smoke alarms are not suitable for kitchens, but heat alarms are. Fitting a heat alarm in your kitchen will give you warning of an increase in temperature caused by a fire, but will not be set off by cooking fumes. If you choose to have a mains-powered alarm, make sure it's installed by a qualified electrician.
Let's help you make your mark.
Heat detectors react to the change in temperature caused by fire. Once the temperature rises above 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 57 C, or 194 degrees Fahrenheit, 90 C, the heat detector will send a signal to an alarm panel and trigger an alarm.
Let's help you make your mark.
Smoke alarm sounds can be triggered randomly by dirty sensors and a number of other elements. Here are some other common causes of false smoke alarms: smoke from burnt food or cooking, fireplace smoke or outdoor campfires blowing indoors.
Take our lead.
The most likely reason smoke detectors go off unexpectedly is that people aren't changing the batteries in them often enough. That's because smoke in the air will reduce the current. If your battery is dying, the current that's flowing through your sensor also goes down. And so you can get a false positive.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.